Okay guys, welcome back. We're just keeping well. So I'm going to tie is my wee black buzzer pattern. It's a bit of a cross between a nymph and a buzzer. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 and size 12, so 12s and 14s for this. The thread that I'm going to use to tie the fly is uni thread. You don't want black, but you use whatever thread that you like to use. Now I'm just going to come in at the eye of the hook, work my thread back, remove the waist tag, bring the thread back up sort of way within a head length. Now to give the impression of breathers or gills, I'm just going to use some uni stretch in white. Wee bit off here from the last fly that I tied, so just offer it up. Just keep this on top of the shank of the hook. Work your thread back, come in and trim away the waist. Now the rib for the fly is a Glow Bright floss number 12. You can use any of the Glow Bright flosses, but I have found that the number 12 works best for me on the waters that I fish. Now for the tail and the body, we're just looking some black cock pheasant fibres. So anywhere between 4 and a half a dozen is grand. On a wee tail at the back, so roughly the length of the body. Around with a pinch and loop. Just work my thread turns back. Fold the cock pheasant fibre back on itself, because we'll use this for the body. And then work the fibres up, winding counterclockwise to meet your thread. That point there, follow this across, a couple of turns onto the hook, turn across the pheasant tail. Do this a couple of times, just helps it from unravelling. Come in, trim away the waist. Now I'm going to keep the waist ends from a thorax cover. Fibre just cut on the rib. It's cut on the rib because it's waxed. I've waxed the Glow Bright floss number 12. And fold this back. Right. Just can't see how we're sitting. I'm happy with that. Got a touch of the cold. Now, back to our cut ends of our pheasant tail that we use for the body, just squaring them up, and then just work the thread back. I just want to come back up sort of way close to the last turn of the Glow Bright floss number 12. Now for the thorax, I'm just using some black rabbit that has been mixed with UV flash through it, sorry. So now this wee fly takes me fish from the early part of the season onwards, and it's a great fly if there's buzzers hatching, as you can see the shape, but also if the hawthorn is on the water. Now I'm just going to split the breathers in half. Now the uni stretch comes in 4 strands. It's like a 4 ply. As you can see, there are 2 strands on your side. Just fold them back and just come over with your pheasant tail. Follow this around with your thread. A couple of tight turns. Just come in and fold back the pheasant tail. This is just for security more than anything. lift your waist ends, clip those away, and a couple of tight turns, just keeping your thread tight. Come in, on a whip finish. Right, before we send it home, we like a varnish onto the thread, fill that up, trim away the waste. Bring out your breathers and just trim them to the length that you like. And there you go, guys, that's just my wee black midge. And honestly, tie a few up, just a couple, and put them in your box and let me know how you get on. It works wonders for me. If I'm fishing it, I usually fish. I fish very traditionally, so on the point, probably have a size 10 mallard and claret. I'll have that as the next fly up. The other middle fly will be the wee grey nymph that I tied for the channel, and then probably a claret or a golden olive bumble. So tie a few of those up, let me know how you get on. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, guys, be good. And if you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.